All right, blessed love everyone. Welcome back to my opinion. This is your boy DJ Blue. And if your first time, if this is your first time checking in, I would like you to subscribe, like, share, and also go and watch some of my previous videos on my opinion, or you can check out our other playlists. We have vibes in the hills. You know, when I said Jamaican vibes in the hills, Upper Brandon and Clarendon, and we also have our interview on the Chill Spot playlist, so you can just check it out, browse around, so on. But today I want to speak about Jamaica. I don't want to speak about nothing else but my country because I want to help. I want to see my country get better. You understand me? Because we have to learn to build our own and not to build someone else. So I am seeing a lot of discrepancies in a Jamaica way. Now make no sense. And the people that I lead is I think corruption is at the highest of standards in Jamaica. Now, this topic I'm talking about today is this little girl with the Jamaica, this Rasta little girl with the police lady trim a couple months ago. Yeah. And now the case has been taken up and reviewed and combed through, whatever you want to call it, by the DPP. Yeah. So it's like after them review everything, they're saying that they don't have enough evidence to charge the police woman for what, for cutting the girl's hair off, but they have enough evidence to charge a girl for not wearing a mask, unruly behavior, and all kind of stuff. But they don't have enough evidence to charge the lady, the police officer, for cutting the young lady ear. Now, how it makes sense? Tell me, I don't get it. The girl was locked up. Yeah, she was put in a cell, and she said the police lady cut her ear off. The DPP is saying that the young girl's Miss King statement is inconsistent, and the inconsistency of her statement is that she first said the police lady cut it at the root, and then her next statement is like she cut it somewhere else, and that's inconsistent. But I mean, I am really lost right now because the little girl said it cut at the root, and then she said cut a little bit up. Her statement is inconsistent, so the police not get charged because she can't tell you where her ear did get cut, but obviously her whole her ear get cut off. But there's some consistency in the story. Her hair got cut off. If you cut off way in the root, or down at the scalp, or in the skull, or wherever you cut off, it cut off. But you can't charge the police lady, but you're going to charge this little girl with over 10 or more or less, whatever, of stuff that she didn't do. The same department is going to charge this little girl for not wearing mask. And then before, there was politicians on video when there was no movement days. Yeah? No movement day, you know, and them a party and a braff and they enjoy themselves, you know, because them are God, them are kings. And what goes for them doesn't go for us. Do what we are told. But these other politicians cannot be charged for no movement day, not wearing a mask. They cannot be charged. Just like how this police officer cannot be charged for cutting this young girl ear off. But this young girl can be charged for not wearing a mask. I wonder if anybody saw me go with this, or are you seeing where I'm coming from? Does it make sense? It's like the whole world gets senseless. It's not. They just put stuff out and like, it doesn't need to make sense. Let's confuse everybody with this because we're going to create our own new laws now. It's proven, as evidence is there, that the girl ear is off. No matter how far down it cut or how far down she say it cut, but evident it cut off, period. But you can't charge the police lady. She's not going to be held accountable for disrespecting a Rasta culture by disrespecting a human being. Come on, if me cuss a bad word, if me act in a manner that you decide is not good, charge me for it, lock me up. How you cut out the girl here? How that makes sense? How it makes sense? Now, before all of this, before the decision, you know, I'm showing you that something is very, very wrong, you know, and we have to step back and look at it, and we need all the voices to come together for justice. You understand me? Now, before all the decision came out to say, oh, they're not going to charge the police officer, yeah? There was no video circulating about this girl and what happened at the taxi stand in the police station, yeah? But when the decision was made, luckily, there's video now to prove that she was acting in a manner of disgust to them that they could charge her, you know. So now you're seeing a video at the taxi stand where she's arguing and say, yo, because she claimed that she was pepper sprayed in a car. Yeah, but now you see evidence of her arguing and also being dragged into the police station, and she's also arguing. So what not try to do? Defame or make you look bad so you can justify what you did. Because me not get what I do. Are you trying to justify by leaking these videos to the newspapers that she was acting like this and she was behaving like this, so that's why you did that? Me not get it. I don't get it. I don't understand. Charge her for acting like that and behaving like that and leave her here. Her ear not have nothing to do with it. Going into a cell and cutting off her hair, how does that prevent her from acting like that? How does that serve the justice system? How does that help the situation at all? That simple show that you have no respect for the people that you govern. And you have no respect for the people's religion and rights. So now, you show this video trying to prove what? Yeah? And then you're going to come out and say you're going to charge this young girl for not wearing mask. When you didn't charge those people that work in the government, you give them bigger position in government, yeah, for not wearing mask. When someone disrespected you, yeah, some people in government, yeah, what did they do? Go to the man's house and dig him out from under his bed. Do you see the trends for freedom of speech? You know, you don't have to like what someone said. Once he's not threatening you. If he's threatening you, go sue him. Take it up in the court. Yeah? If he defame you, you cannot take it up in the court. Freedom of speech is a right to everyone. Why are you able to have freedom of speech? Why is uptown able to have freedom of speech? But downtown, the ghettos don't have freedom of speech. Why uptown have the right to ask for a warrant to come in at them house, in at them yard, in at them business, but downtown, you kick off the fence, you kick off the gate, you don't have no regards. Do you see this injustice? Something wrong. If you think I am talking crap, leave a comment. If you think I'm right, or I have a point, still leave a comment. Tell me what is your opinion on all of this that I just said. Because me thinks say, yo, something definitely wrong. Bye. We'll see you next time. Same time, same place. My opinion. Check out the rest of the video. Remember to subscribe. Hit the little notification bell whenever I post a video. Big God. See you there. Like,